everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today we've got May's giveaway, guys. May's giveaway. Can you believe we're into May? And today is going to be the 3rd of May. And this giveaway will go through until the 20th of May. Yes, 20th of May it'll go through, guys, because I'm going away at the end of the month, so I need to get that all sorted before I go away for a long weekend. And yes, so the winner will be announced on the 24th. All the rules and regulations are below. This you have to be 18 years and over. You must be subscribed to my channel. I must be able to see that you are subscribed to my channel. I did make a video about the rules and regulations and showing you how to make your subscriber list public, and I will put that link below for you. I'm not responsible for any duty tax that you might incur when they get to your country. I will pay the postage to you. This is all purchased with my own money. YouTube is not affiliated with it in any way, shape or form. And I think that's about it. All the information will be in the description box below. I do encourage you to read them and shall we see what we've got for this month's giveaway? Now, this month we've got some ice yarn for you. So we've got this yarn, which is Picasso, and you get 4 500 grams, and it is ice. It is a 4 weight, 50 grams, 115 meters, which is about 120 for 125 yards. It's 44% acrylic, 56% polyester, and it's a 5mm hook. And it doesn't tell you the colour, but as you can see, it's a lovely different shades of blues. So you get 4 of them. You also get a pen, a blue pen. You also get a to-do, which has got a magnet. You get one of them. And it says it's a flower shopping list with pencil. But they come in handy, don't they, for your crochet. You get, what you got? You've got a 6mm crochet hook. You've got a little container with 10 stitch markers, and you've got a little capsule with 2 darning needles, or tapestry hooks as we call them. So the word that I need from you for this giveaway, I need you to put the word Picasso, and I'll put it here. It's Picasso. So I'll put the word here so you can write that in your comments, please, and then I can pick a winner then from that. So it's really nice and soft, guys. Smells lovely, and so that is May's giveaway. Thank you so much for joining us today. Well, joining me today. There's only me here. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you're new, hit the bell icon when you hit the subscribe button so you get notifications of every time I go live, or my videos are uploaded. I usually do a video Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and I go live every Wednesday at 5 p.m. British summertime, 12 p.m. noon Eastern. And so yeah guys, and don't forget to check out, and I really do encourage you to check out the description box below if you're unsure on how to make your subscribers public. There's a link to a video where I show you how to do that. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.